Hi everybody, my name is Angelica from the Math Magician Bookkeeping. I'm one of the students in Bryce's coaching program, and today I'm asking, is bookkeeping right for you? If you're thinking of starting a bookkeeping business, there is nothing else that I would recommend than actually talking with someone who has been through it and who can give you some great pointers, and that would be Bryce. Like I said, I'm one of the students in his coaching program, and he's helped me grow my business so much. And so if you're interested in learning how to grow your business once you actually get it on its feet, then please click the link in the description below to schedule a free phone call with him. So you may have watched some of the videos on this channel, and there are tons of videos that are super helpful if you've already started your business and to help you grow your business, gain clients, do all of those wonderful things. But you may be watching these videos and wondering, and to get some insight, but you may be watching these videos in order to get some insight of if you actually want to start your own bookkeeping business. So today I'm actually going to be going over what is a bookkeeper, what's the difference between a bookkeeper and an accountant, what are some tasks that bookkeepers do, and what are some skills that you need to have to actually be a bookkeeper. So let's talk about the skills that you need as a bookkeeper. So bookkeeping is actually pretty simple, but there are things that you may have to do. So one of the things that drew me to bookkeeping was the kind of detail. I'm a very detail-oriented person. I like organization and I like solving puzzles. And so that's kind of what bookkeeping was for me. It was a great way for me to kind of have everything that I really enjoyed all in one. So you're going to have to be kind of an organized person, or at least know how to organize certain things. Like I said, whenever you're categorizing transactions, you're organizing those transactions into their different little slots, if you will, a little folder that each little expense is going into to make sure that everything is accurate. So you're going to have to be organized to some extent with that. And then, like I said, attention to detail. Whenever you're reconciling things, there may be some reason why it's not reconciling or the balance is off. You're going to have to actually pay attention and go through every transaction to figure it out. And sometimes it could be something as simple as the ending balance that you put in is wrong, or the ending date is wrong, but it's like tiny little minute things like that that can get you that you may not be aware of. And then along with that comes problem solving. So along with the attention to detail, like I just said, is kind of taking a step back and being able to look at this and go, okay, what is going on? Because there have been so many times that I've tried to reconcile something. All my amounts are in there, everything seems fine, but it's not balancing, and that's because it's grabbed onto one transaction that just happened to be on a different statement date. And so even though it's within that month, it may have grabbed it from a month afterwards, like it didn't go through until after that month. And so you kind of have to problem solve and figure it out. Like I was saying with my client earlier that I enter in the bills and they do the purchase orders. Sometimes whenever I'm looking to match the payment that they made to that actual specific bill or vendor, it's hard to find. So I actually have to get in there, get on their vendor's website, look at the actual payments, figure out what's going on. Why is this amount in here, but it's not actually showing up? So I'm actually kind of in the middle of doing something like that right now. But it's about taking that time, that way your client doesn't have to figure out what are these small little issues and what is throwing this off so bad. So kind of taking the time to figure out what is the missing puzzle piece and how do I get to that point. And so along with that goes digging deep. I wrote that down because it involves more than just surface level, oh yeah, here's the thing and I can just enter in a number and it'll magically go away. There are a lot of bookkeepers that if something doesn't reconcile, will just randomly put a journal entry to change, if your account balance is off by $1,159, they will just randomly put $1,159 in there just to make the account balance, which is great that the account is balanced. But now we have no way to show where that $1,159 came from. And so those are kind of dire situation only, but it's more than just, I've got to do this to fix this problem real quick. It's actually figuring out what's going on and kind of digging in a little bit more. So anyway, that is kind of my take on bookkeeping. Those are some of the things that you may have to do as a bookkeeper. I personally really enjoy it. If you want to watch my story, you're more than welcome to watch my story of how I became a bookkeeper. But yeah, anyways, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. And if you are just starting your bookkeeping business, if you're thinking of starting a bookkeeping business, there is nothing else that I would recommend than actually talking with someone who has been through it and who can give you some great pointers. And that would be Bryce. Like I said, I'm one of the students in his coaching program, and he's helped me grow my business so much. And so if you're interested in learning how to grow your business once you actually get it on its feet, then please click the link in the description below to schedule a free phone call with him. That way he can kind of help you out and get you in the right spot. So thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.